Hi, welcome back to the Anthony R. Mill Show, where I look at various ways to increase your income. The way that I originally started out this channel was looking at selling on eBay, and I will still continue occasionally to do those types of videos because it's one way of making fairly easy money in a short period of time where you may have a pretty good rate of return compared to, say, the stock market, but you may not make a whole lot of money doing it. Another focus of this channel is investing in the stock market. And unless you're a day trader, and a successful one at that, I don't really consider this to be a stream of income. Income is money that is coming in on a regular basis for you to use. Assuming your stocks are increasing in value, that's still wealth on paper until you sell the stocks and receive the money as a check or in your bank account. And as I always point out, I believe that investing in the stock market should be a long-term process. I think that most of your money ideally should be invested in good long-term mutual funds or blue chip stocks. But I don't think that there's anything wrong if you devote a very small portion of your portfolio to more speculative investments. So let's look at Nano Dimension Limited, ticker symbol NNDM. The company is an Israeli nanotechnology company listed on the Nasdaq stock market. I won't go into the fundamentals, which I've discussed in a number of other videos, but my conclusion is that while nanotechnology is a technology of the future, this particular company does not seem to be one that will be making a profit anytime soon. Their stock has lost about 95% of its value since it was floated on the stock market, and I don't see what mechanism will allow them to turn the corner anytime soon and start making a profit. Because it is a low cap stock and it's in an emerging sector, there are a lot of people who bought into the hype. In fact, soon after I bought it a year ago, the price had doubled, but I held on. And this just happened to be at a time when I had probably $10 in cash in my retirement account, with everything else already being invested. So I bought a single share at just over $7 to use up some of the cash. Since then, it's drifted down and bounced around the $4 level. And of course, if you've been paying attention to the broader market, it's been a bloodbath this past week up until today. It was refreshing to see everything in my portfolio up today compared to yesterday's closing prices. So after publishing a number of videos questioning the value of holding on to my Nano Dimension stock, this weekend I asked my viewers to vote. I originally got 3 people voting, 2 saying to hold, 1 saying to sell, but then that person changed their mind and all 3 people voted to hold. When I got up this morning and saw my portfolio, I was going to go along with the wishes of my 3 viewers and hold, but then I thought about checking on a stock which I had seen in an interview with their CEO last week on the Meet Kevin YouTube channel. Hut 8 is a Canadian company whose business it is to mine cryptocurrencies. Personally, I'm very doubtful on a lot of aspects concerning the cryptocurrency market, but the company does seem to have some intelligent people making large investments in equipment and convinced me enough that a small investment in them within the speculative portion of your portfolio might be appropriate. Anyway, because the market was up today, including NNDM, I decided to sell my 1 share and buy 1 share of Hut 8, ticker symbol HUT. The price that I bought it at was $8.10. Now, if I was smart, I would have bought it last week when it was down in the $7 territory. In fact, today it was up over 7% before I bought it. Of course, the time to buy such stocks is when they're down, not after they've gone up 7% in one day. But again, this is 1 single share. If I lost it all, I wouldn't notice, and I think that the chances of losing money in this are far less than holding on to Nano Dimension. In the future, I'll make a video about the fundamentals of Hut 8. They do seem to occasionally make a profit, at least on a quarterly basis. One caveat, if you research the stock, be aware that the price on Yahoo Finance or other sites like that may show the price in Canadian dollars, because I just checked and thought that it had gone up $2 a share since I bought it 45 minutes ago. If you're an investor in the US, you'll want to make sure that whatever quotes you're getting are in US dollars. The stock is traded on NASDAQ, and so whatever trading platform or brokerage you use should give you the price in US dollars. Remember, this is not investment advice. I'm not a professional advisor, just somebody providing entertainment. Again, if you like this type of content and want to see more, it would really help me out if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, please view all of my videos, and if you like them, click the like button. It would also help out if you left a comment in the comment section for each one. I'm on Instagram at Anthony RR Mills. You can follow me there. Thank you.